Hi, my name is Ronit from B1 Plus Solutions, and I'm very proud to present the B1 Plus Rate add-on, which automatically updates exchange rates in the SAP Business One. We offer the software as a service application. Therefore, you can purchase from multiple packages within 14 days free trial. So give it a try. It is a basic and easy self-installation process. Press on the Buy Now button and you will be supplied with a license key and a download link. Download it to your server. Now let's run the installer. Let's review it in SAP. The exchange rates are empty. Next, press the shortcut on the desktop. Now supply the license key. Then supply the server details. Choose the companies which will sync the currency rates. Verify the connections. And save. Then press the test button to review the calculated exchange rates. The test will not insert the rates and it's only a mean to test. If all is good, we will create a scheduled task providing Windows credential. That's it, we're done. Now let's see the new rates in the SAP. Now you have a scheduled task running on a regular basis, updating your rates whether you're logged into SAP or not. Great job! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please pay us a visit in our website at www.b1plus.co.il.